Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can print a chart in Google Sheets. So let's jump in. The first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you already have your chart here. And now what you will do is select the chart that you want to print. And then you will open the chart menu by clicking these three dots in the top right corner of the chart. And now that you're here, you will have to click download chart, and you can export it as PNG or ping, PDF, or scalable vector graphics, which is SVG. So it really depends on you. And now for printing, of course, you will choose a PDF document, which is right here. So just go ahead and print that. Click that. And now what you will do is, of course, if needed, you could print the chart. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And of course, by printing it, what you will do is you will click this print button right here, which is print this file. So just wait, just go ahead and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will do is you'll basically just click print if you're already satisfied with your output. And yeah, you could also, by the way, change your sizing, the handling, the pages print, or all this stuff. So it really depends on you. But yeah, that's how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.